Hi, I'm here at Halford's, and today I'm going to show you the traditional steering wheel lock by Simply. This steering wheel lock has 5 main aspects that I'm going to talk to you today about. The first one is that it's very strong, incredibly strong, because it's made of this rounded steel material. The second aspect is that it's very easy to use. All you have to do to use it is pull it out, lock it to your steering wheel, and take the key out. The next thing about it has this anti-theft U design, which holds on tight to your steering wheel, but it does not leave any scratches or marks because of the foam on the inside. The fourth thing about it is it has dual functions. It has this special hammer at the bottom that works as a window breaker. The last thing about the traditional steering wheel lock is that it's a universal fit. It fits to SUVs, cars, and vans because it has all these notches and sizes that fits to your steering wheel. Let's take a look.